What is going on, guys? My name is Justin Furniel from Push and Profit. Hope everyone is having a beautiful day today. Now in this video, I'm just gonna talk about the difference between day trading, long-term investing, and really just which one I prefer and the benefits of each, right? So it's gonna be up to you guys to decide which type of trading style you guys would prefer. Now again, you got to take everything with a grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who trades and posts videos on YouTube about trading. So at the end of the day, you guys decide what works for best for you. So that's why it's a good idea to just watch this full video so you guys could get a better understanding of the two different styles, right? Now for those of you that don't really understand, day trading is just when you're purchasing securities in a day and selling it in the same day, meaning I buy shares of Amazon, I sell it in like the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, just in and out in a day, versus someone who's purchasing stocks and investing long term, just like the name says, it's self-explanatory, they're holding stocks for a longer period of time, right? So I actually had this little drawing that I made. I'm not an artist, but I just kind of wanted to explain to you guys a little bit of, better of how this works. So someone who is investing long term, they would purchase right here, let's say they just buy it right here, and this looks like a long, this is a healthy stock, right, on a nice uptrend, and they would hold it, and let's say this is a period of 3 years, and then they end up selling, right? Now, what I like about someone who is investing, or what I just like about investing in general, is that it's very passive, right? Now, this really works well if trading isn't really your career. It's just something that you guys do with the money you save to earn, some extra income, and of course beat the inflation rate. Because if you hold your money in a bank account, you're really losing to the inflation rate that happens yearly. So yeah, so you could have your career as like let's say someone in the medical field, like a nurse, or someone who works in the office, and their life doesn't revolve around the stock market. You guys just have money saved and you invest and plan for your future, and that's great. So those are that's really what I like about investing. It's very passive. You buy it and you kind of don't really pay attention to it as often as someone who's day trading. It's passive, right? You go to sleep, you don't really worry about it, right? Now day trading is something where you're gonna be looking at the stocks like pretty much every single day, as it's implied in the name, day trading, right? And day trading, like I said, this wouldn't be a 3-year time period. This would be like a 1-day time period where it's like, you buy and up, and then, you sell down and things like that. Now, what I don't like about day trading is that's not passive like investing, right? Investing, you buy it and you don't really look at it as often. Day trading, you're kind of just really, your career is really about trading, right? And I do believe that day trading is much more rewarding. Now, me personally, like I said, I do a mixture of both. I do invest and I do day trading, but I would consider myself more of a day trader where, I day trade literally every single day. I still have a career at the moment, at the time of this recording. So I do only have 1 hour of the day where I day trade 5 days a week, and I bring home anywhere from $100 to $150 in that 1 hour. Is that the best? No. But is it the worst? No. I am pretty profitable. I don't really have any red days. As a matter of fact, at the time of this recording, for this year of 2020, I've actually experienced no days of actually losing money. I've just been making money every single day, but of course I am going to have some red days happen eventually. But yeah, I consider myself someone who is a profitable trader, and I day trade every single day in combination with my job salary, right? So someone who's day trading, that's kind of more of something that's like a career. Like I said, you're investing most of your time looking at the stock market, going in and out and trading. You gotta have some experience, know a little bit about technical analysis. So yeah, that's really what I think about day trading. I think it's much more rewarding, and like I said, it's just not as passive as investing. So something that I do want to also bring up is that what I don't like about investing is that I feel like, me personally, I can't manage my risk as well as someone who's day trading, because when it comes down to investing, there's a lot of factors that could happen. Let's say like a war breaks out, right? And if you're not really looking at the stocks all day, your stock might just plummet to the bottom before you could even sell, and you might lose money on that. Versus someone who's day trading, they're actively looking at the market, they're managing their risk more efficiently, or at least in my case, I believe I'll manage my risk more efficiently when I day trade, and I could cut my losses when I feel is really needed to, right? Another thing that I do like about day trading is that when it comes to investing, obviously you're gonna want to invest in something that's on an upward trend, but like in reality, that's just a perfect example. When it comes to the stock market, things don't always go in this upward trend. There's a lot of stocks that actually go on a downward trend. Now, someone who is day trading, they can still profit on something that's going on a downward trend, because you're really just profiting on the volatility of the stock, meaning, when it goes up and then down, and, it's just like on a descending pattern. Someone who is investing, and I should probably erase this real quick just to make things a lot more easier. Someone who's investing wouldn't want to invest in something that's on a downward pattern, right? Because obviously if you buy here, you hold it for a few years, and you sell here, you're losing money. And when you lose money, that's just no bueno, right? But someone who is day trading, they can still profit on something that's going on a downward trend. As a matter of fact, I pretty much do this every day. You guys probably wouldn't be able to see it on the screen, but I day trade ETFs that are on a descending pattern every single day, and still I manage to be profitable, because I'm not worried about, I'm not holding it over time and losing money. I'm not being this guy over here. As it goes down, I wait for perfect opportunities to buy, and then good opportunities to sell, so I could make that profit, right? So that's why I prefer day trading. Now, what I do is I day trade, and at the end of the month, whatever profit I have, I end up putting that in my bank account. I use some of the funds to pay my bills, and then I take some of the funds and I actually invest it. So that's why I do a mixture of both. Now, again, at the end of the day, it's up to you. What you see best fits your style. If you're someone who's really content with your career and that's what you like doing, then, investing might be a better option. Just make sure you're getting something that, shows good potential of being on an uptrend, right? And if you're someone who is, they're really interested in getting into the market, and they will kind of want to become someone who's just profitable on a consistent basis, and not really looking for a longer time to make money, someone who's looking to get money every single day, then day trading might be the better option for you. Again, at the end of the day, it is all up to you. Definitely don't take my advice. I'm just here to kind of explain a little better of which one I prefer, right? Now, also something I do want to put out there is that I do have a link in the description below to sign up with Webull. If you guys sign up with Webull, which is a brokerage, if you sign up with my link, you guys will be eligible to win 2 free stocks, and that could range anywhere from $12 to $1,400. And it's just something good. I think it's a really good platform, whether you're day trading or investing. Actually, when I first signed up for Webull, my first stock was $1,000 that I got for free. Now, are you guys gonna get a stock for free of $1,000? Who knows, right? It's just kind of random, but it is a good platform whether you want to day trade or invest. So definitely consider hitting that link in the description below to get those free stocks, so you guys could get into just the stock world, whether you're investing or day trading, right? Also, I do want to put it out there. I do have a trading group called Push and Profit. It's really just a Facebook group that is free for you guys to sign up, and it's really just I'm trying to garner a bunch of individuals who are interested in investing or day trading, and it doesn't even have to be related to the stock market. It could be about real estate, things like that. Just so we have a community of like-minded individuals, because again, it's pretty nice to be able to communicate and learn from other people. A social currency, and it's always good to build up your social currency and get that network. So if you guys are interested in joining that free group, also click that link in the description below. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section below. I try to answer as many comments as I possibly can. And if you guys appreciated this video, then I would appreciate it if you guys could smash that like button. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and push this video to other people, so they could get a better understanding of the difference between investing and day trading. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My name is Justin Furniel from Push and Profit. Hope everyone is having a beautiful day, and I'm out. Peace.
Just like cooking on the trail.